In this video, we will learn how to put a line under text in the Word document. So here I'm going to show you different 3 ways to put a line under the text in the Word document. So let's start one by one. So you can see this is a way you can put a line under the text. So let's see how it's done. So open my Word document, and here the first way, simply select the text, then go to the Design tab. In Page Background Group, click on the Page Borders option, and you can see the Borders and Shadings dialog box is open. Then click on the Borders tab, and first step here to select the style. So here the number of styles available of the border. So select those you want. So I select the first one. You can see the changes over here on the preview, and you can select here the color of the border. So I select here the red color. Then you can increase the thickness of your border. So I just click on this thickness level. Okay, you can see the in preview. Apply to text, you just click on this drop down arrow and click on the paragraph. Okay, now here I just remove the top border, left right border. I just want here the bottom border. Okay, to put a line under the text. Okay, after that just click on the OK, and that's it. You can see the border apply under the text. Okay, the same as I put the line under the text. The second way, same as select the text. Here go to the Insert tab. In shape format, just in lines group, just click on the first line, then press the Shift key and just draw the line. Okay, after that simply right click on this line. I just right click on this line. You can see the menu list when you right click on the line. Then click on the Format Shape option, and here in Format Shape, in lines, just click on the solid line option. Then here you can increase the thickness of line. 0.5 is default set here. You can edit it. I just set here the 5. You can see here the changes on this line. Okay, you can change the color here also, so you can select the different color also. And here the different style line also available, dash types. Here you can select the dash tab line also. Okay, so these are the option available. So I just closed it. And the third way, simply select the same as the text. Okay, then go to the Home tab. In Paragraphs group, have a Borders option. Just click on this drop down arrow, then click on the Borders and Shadings option. You can see the same dialog box open here. Then click on the Borders tab. In Border tabs, select the first style of the border, those you want. Okay, here I select the dash line. You can see the preview here of line. Okay, then you can select here the different color also. So I select here the blue color. Then here you can change the thickness. I select this thickness. You can see the preview over here. I remove the top line, left right line, because I want only the bottom line here. Okay, then apply to the paragraph is default selected. If not, just click on this drop down arrow and you can select here the paragraph option. After that, just click on OK, and that's it. You can see the line under the text. So that's it. Hope you understand. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel. Thank you so much.